Welcome to the video on how to use the GE McKinsey Matrix Builder that is available for free download in the description below. I've set something up. When you open it, it'll look like this, but it'll be blank down here. So basically, you need to just enter the data in the blue cells. So what we have an option for is initially here is going across and listing your firms or strategic business units that you want to have a look at. And if I go across, this is blank over here, but you can score up to 10 different firms. Okay, so you just basically set that up. Here is this preset, and you go through and say, what factors do I want to include? And this needs to add up to 100%. I've just done this as an example so far, but you can change any of these numbers, so that was very important. And then we're over 105, so we've really got to take numbers off somewhere else to come back to 100. If you don't like these particular factors, there is space down here to add your own, so you can just type in whatever yours is going to be, and then give it a score. You can see it's overvalued and say, well, that's not important. I don't want that, so that becomes 0. Okay, so basically that's set up first, and then every business that you look at would be scored the same way. Okay, I'm just going to reset all that up. I've just taken them back out and go back to where we were. Okay, so that's the example I had. So then we go through, and for each of our businesses, we score them on a 1 to 10 basis, 10 being the best, and obviously 1 being the worst. And these weighted scores are automatically produced. And if you had some of your own, they'll be down here. And you can see it gives us a score out of 100 for business strengths. And then we just continue down, and underneath we have market attractiveness factors. This carries down immediately, and we've got exactly the same input. We've got 12 factors that may be helpful for us as well. So we look at those. Some of them we have to think the opposite to. So this one here is competitive rivalry. So obviously if rivalry is high and there's a lot of aggression, then that does not make the industry attractive. So some of them we have to make negative. So again, we can change that number as long as it adds up to 100 at the bottom if you add in your own, and then score each one out of a scale of 1 to 10. Again, if there's 0%, we don't need to score it because it won't matter. And basically our map is automatically produced at the bottom here. Okay, and we've got our a black and white one down the bottom, which may be more effective for your presentations, etc. And as we know, green, invest, the gold, yellow is hold or be very selective, and red is usually divest. So basically that's it. There's links in the description below. So very easy to use, and I hope it goes well for you.